Go. Here we go, my old-fashioned move. You guys remember this from college? Here we go, sharpshooter to the orange. Sharpshooter to the orange. Sharpshooter to the orange. Sharpshooter to the orange. Are you guys ready for this? Hey, pin. Both of us. Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Ice cream trucks. What they are? What
am I doing?
Oh, my foot.
How do you feel about that?
I feel shitty.
You heard that from himself? He feels shitty.